Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and in this video we are in New York City. We're gonna head down to the financial district. This is a branding photo shoot with a finance guru. Her name is Amanda Holden, also known as Dumpster Doggy. If you've listened to the Build and Bloom Photography podcast, she's been on a few times. Her information will be linked down below, as well as all the gear that I use and the full gallery of images. I do photo shoots here in New York a couple times a year, but I live full-time in Seattle where I also book. If you're interested in scheduling a session with me, I'll have it linked down below. Before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this free photography video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photo shoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides, or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. Maybe do a nice wide stance, put all your weight onto one hip, whichever feels most natural, and then I'm gonna have you kick one of the one side of your sweater back so that it kind of reveals the mint. Yeah, super cute. And then bring your hand a little bit closer to the camera so we get all your jewelry. Okay, that's so cute. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna have you hop in the middle since there's nobody there. Yeah, perfection. Cute, cute, cute. Maybe throw one hand in the air. Yeah, in the club. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. She's in the club. Just kidding. Okay, beautiful. And I love all your jewelry too. It's so cool. Yeah. Okay, and then actually, can I just kind of adjust it? Okay, perfect. Can I kind of adjust this too? Okay. Show the bling. Come on. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Oh my word. So gorgeous. Love. Oh my goodness. Let's do one of your hands up in your hair a little bit. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. And just turn your wrist so that we see your nails a little bit rather than the palm. So you'll have your hand in your hair, but you're gonna go more like this. Yep, and just turn your wrist out a little bit. Yes, okay. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And then a big laugh. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, Jessica's so funny. Hee hee hee. Comedian over here. Okay, beautiful. You had to laugh in the face of advisory, Oscar Wilde, or whatever. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my God. Okay, you just have to look at how beautiful you are. It's the hair, it's the teeth, it's the fit. Do you like that?
Yes,
okay.
Yes. Girl.
You look so good. You're so cute. What if we do one a little bit, another close-up, but I'll have you more like against this? Yeah. And then, oh, and then there's a little cab in it. Oh my gosh, your hair looks so good. Beautiful. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Look out to the side. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm gonna have you take a tiny scoot this way. Yeah, beautiful. Actually, one more tiny scoot. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Oh my gosh. So cute of you.
Yeah, that's cool.
So cute. Oh my goodness. Come on now. She said, I know what the people want and they need that close up. Cute. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, yeah, kind of like bring your hair. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. Cute. And then I'm gonna get the full fit. because we have to do our service to the country and serve. Come on now. Cute, 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 cute. Maybe do a little 1-2. She's giving a little 1-2 step. She's giving a little walking in the city, just a casual moment. Cute, 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 cute. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, the lighting is so amazing too. Oh my gosh, she really did what she had to do. Oh my goodness. And that, oh wait, that's so cute. That's so cute. Are you kidding me? And then let's do full fit. Oh my gosh, amazing. Oh, and wait for this person in the back. Amazing. Come on now. So cute. That's so cute. Let's do one, maybe a little like, it's a little lean, and I'll do it from a different perspective. So beautiful. We have a little bit of the city in the background. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Maybe bring some hair forward a little bit. Come on, blowout. We gotta make the most of the.
I always default to pushing it behind, but like, let's let her do her thing.
Let her live. Beautiful. And actually, there's one piece that I'm just gonna bring. Join the fam.
Please do.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Beautiful. And actually, I'm gonna have you take a step forward, so you're gonna lean more against this part. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. And maybe bring this hand that's down, pop it up in the air. I want you to give. And what were you, la la la, I don't know. Yeah, come on now. Beautiful. Okay, gorgeous. Gorgeous. She's surprised. Beautiful. You're so photogenic.
Oh, cute.
Like so cute.
Thanks,
You're
girl.
so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, these are so fun. Oh my goodness, you're so amazing.
No, you are.
Let's do some with more of the city in the background. So maybe we'll just walk over this way. Cute. And then what if you do one, she's leaning, I'm deep in thought. And then, oh, I didn't even notice you were here taking this photo. So I'm gonna have you bring your toes nice and close, just so then your body can be as close as possible to the, yeah, beautiful. And then just slightly turn this back shoulder towards me ever so slightly. Yes, come on now. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Beautiful, and then just look out. Oh yes, looking at the street, so beautiful. Amazing. And then how about now fully turn and maybe do something where you kind of lean. Oh, she's casual, girl. Beautiful. I'm just a simple girl, you know?
Just a girl in the world.
Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, cute. And maybe throw that hand up in the air too. Oh my gosh, cute. And then do a little lean forward as you kind of throw your hand in the air and laugh. Ha ha ha. Yeah, that's cute. Oh my gosh. And then we're gonna do a close up just like that. Oh my gosh. Cute. And then look out at the street. Gorgeous. Oh my word. You're so cute.
Very cute. Girl,
oh my
good job.
goodness.
I
Thank
never would have thought the ledge. I just never would have thought the ledge.
Come on. It's like, it's just
You
the
need something
city.
with a hand. You need something with a hand.
You
know?
do, and also to fill in the space, just like
Yeah.
create some interest. Should we do your next look?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to do suit?
So amazing. I'm gonna have you just scoot back just a hair for me. Yes, perfect. And then I'm gonna actually have you turn this way, ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love these purple boots. They're so cute. I have them in like cream and they're very uncomfortable, but it's worth it.
Well, they're not that uncomfortable, but you put miles in the city.
Oh my gosh, you look so amazing. Like, come on now. Oh my gosh. What if you do one where, I don't know if this would look good with the shorts, but we could try like sitting.
Okay.
I guess you can't really open the, yeah, you can't open it.
if I can sit.
Maybe
Might-
lean
Okay.
a little bit. Yeah, cute. And then maybe do like your hand is kind of up, like adjusting the collar or something. Let's see. Yeah, that's cute. And then let's bring your hair forward. Oh my gosh, the wind. You're so gorgeous. Like, come on, Pantene commercial. Gorgeous. The wind right now. Oh my gosh. What if now I'm gonna have you step out a little bit? Actually, let's come into the middle since no one's here and do a little bit more of a, she's serving breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, dessert. Cute, cute, cute. There's just one piece of hair. I'm gonna have you go like this to flip behind. Yep, beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So beautiful. Ooh, you know what? Since you have all these amazing rings on, what if you kind of like, oh, she's bringing her hair back. We're kind of working with the wind. Let's do both.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you put your hands up, and then other hand too, and you're just kind of, yeah. Oh my gosh, come on, cover girl. And then I'm just gonna adjust this one little hair. Beautiful, beautiful. And then just pull that hair over or out of the old nose. Yep, beautiful. These ones of you. I am not okay. I need to be put under assessor at the ER. Like, oh my gosh, you're so beautiful.
Stop. Okay, you're cute.
So cute.
I mean, they're amazing.
You're
they're
so amazing.
great.
I feel like we should do your next outfit and go over into Wall Street. I'm gonna have you come this way a little bit, and then don't worry about the box because I'm gonna kind of cover it up a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is really iconic. Okay, there's just one person behind. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Amazing. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Yes, yeah. That's so cute. Cute. Do that one more time for me. Oh, cute. Actually, scoot over just a hair, just so that I don't get the sign in it at all. Oh, cute. I'm gonna wait for one person. I don't mind some people, but sometimes when it's too bright, it like pops too much. Okay, let me just adjust a few more times. Little. Oh my gosh, iconic behavior. Yeah, love. And then throw one hand in the air just like you did. Yep, beautiful. Cute. Beautiful, love it, love. I'll wait for this guy in the back. Oh, and we have a cab, this is perfect. Maybe even do one where you kind of like are picking the dress up a little bit and do a little pop of the knee. Yeah, cute. Give us a little more leg, come on now. Yes, so cute. Okay, let's scoot over for this car real quick. Oh my gosh, Amanda, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then if you can, use your core to kick your legs out ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so iconic. And then kick your legs out one more time for me. Yep, beautiful. Gorgeous. You can have your hand maybe here and like a nice, because we have this beautiful shape of the dress, or like the long line, you can have your hand here and like pop onto one hip, whatever feels natural. So gorgeous. Pop your hand up on your waist. Yes, come on, waistline. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's so amazing. Cute. So cute. my gosh. And just flip your hands so I see more of your rings. Yes, beautiful. It's so cute. Gorgeous. Cute. Beautiful. Cute, cute, cute. And then bring it in a little bit more. There we go.
Should be open, right?
Yeah. So cute. Do like a little cheers, maybe. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you need help drafting an email response to a difficult client situation, or you want an extra set of eyes on the website you're about to launch, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Just search it up in Facebook groups. I've also launched season 2 of the Build and Bloom Photography podcast, available for you to listen and learn on whatever platform you love. I like Spotify best. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe to be the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.